Siyempre, madami akong natutunan since last year. We don't win a championship in game 1, knowing that from last year. So, job's not finished. Kailangan lang masutukan pa kasi i-instill namin sa mga rookies na celebrate now, go back to work tomorrow. And yun, pag-scouting pa rin, trabahuin pa rin namin mga lapses namin kanina kasi nakapuntos pa rin si Alan Liwag kasi yun yung main guy nila eh. So, kailangan pa rin na natutukan namin yun.
Clint, there's a chance na baka physically sa game ko considering na naghalimo ka ngayon. So, anong expectations mo, adjustments gagawin mo for game?
Siyempre, i-expect ko yung game plan nila towards sa akin, yung lalong nahigpit yung defense. So, for me, kailangan ko make the right reads in the right situations na involve my teammates kasi big part din yun eh. Hindi ka man nanalo ng championship ng isa lang. Like, it takes a team and team effort talaga and team chemistry. So, yun yung gusto ko kasi medyo, nag-mature na ako.
Gano'ng kalaking bagay yung JC Recto 15 points off the bench? Lalo na yung front court nyo, siyempre, siliwag pa yung target.
Sobrang laking bagay kasi knowing na naka-perform siya last year from the finals and medyo ma-slump siya this season. But never nawala yung tiwala namin and yung kumpiyansa ko sa kanya. Yung mga kumpiyansa ng mga teammates ko and yung coaches sa kanya. And today he performed. Sobrang laking bagay nung ginawa niya today. And I hope na mature din siya to take na di pa tapos yung laban and to end that 23 years.
With the start, obviously, init mo ng first half. It's really the game plan on your end that talagang you would be looking for your shots, especially after the 3-point game ng semis, or did it just come naturally?
Just came naturally lang talaga kasi when I was hitting my shots nung mga una pa lang, sabi ko, okay yan. So yun, naging more aggressive talaga ako nung yung mataas yung confidence ko since that career high nung semis. So yun, dinala ko lang yung tamang mentality and mga preparation ko lang to this game. So yun, nag-result ko.
Yung nagkaroon ka ng collision sa fourth quarter. How demanding has these past few days been in terms of preparation?
Yes.
Na kahit you're well prepared, nagka-week off ka, ganun pa rin ka-demanding. How was it for you?
Siyempre, sa nung medyo malayo pa, first day, second day of practice, medyo pukpok talaga. Pero knowing my coaches and we had camps issue nung last year. So yun, medyo load management din kami this coming palapit na sa game na to. So yun, tumukulang pa rin, nag-cramps pa rin ako. So kailangan pa rin mag-rest and recovery is the best talaga.
But even if take half of the fourth quarter, parang labas-pasok ka na. But how proud of you seeing your teammates talagang hindi nagpabaya at lumaki pa yung lamang na?
Yun nga, noong una nagtiwala sila sa akin ng first quarter, like ibigyan talaga nila muna ako and yun, nagulit talaga, nagtiwala na din ako sa kanila to take it home for us. So malaking bagay yung teammates ko kasi di lang naman ako yung makuha eh, may daming lahat pwede mag-contribute talaga.